Today, we're diving deep into how to use TradingView's powerful drawing tools to identify and sketch classic chart patterns, giving you the insight to make more informed trading decisions. Let's get started by opening your favorite chart on TradingView. First, you'll want to access the drawing tools. Look for the vertical toolbar on the left side of your screen. We'll primarily be using the Trendline tool, which you can find under the Trendline section, or by clicking the line icon. Let's illustrate with a common pattern, the head and shoulders. To draw this, we'll start by using the Trendline tool first. Connect the higher points of the two shoulders of the pattern, then draw another trend line connecting the lowest points of the dips between the shoulders and the head, forming the neckline. Once drawn, you can see the classic head and shoulders formation. This pattern often signals a potential bearish reversal. Traders look for a break below the neckline to confirm the pattern and anticipate a price decline. Another popular pattern is the triangle. For a symmetrical triangle, we'll again use the Trendline tool. Draw one line connecting the downward sloping highs and another connecting the upward sloping lows. These lines will converge, creating the triangular shape. As the price contracts within the triangle, it suggests a period of consolidation. A breakout above the upper trend line typically signals upward momentum, while a break below the lower trend line indicates downward momentum. Finally, let's look at a bull flag. This pattern typically consists of a sharp upward move, flagpole followed by a period of sideways or slightly downward consolidation within a narrow parallel channel. Use your Trendline tool to draw the top and bottom boundaries of this consolidation channel. The bull flag is a bullish continuation pattern, suggesting that after a brief pause, the prior uptrend is likely to resume. Traders often anticipate a breakout to the upside from this formation for potential profit opportunities. By practicing with these tools and patterns, you'll quickly become adept at spotting opportunities and making more confident trading decisions. Happy charting!